What's up, everybody? It's Amrinder Singh, and you are listening to Learn Punjabi like a native podcast. The main purpose of this podcast is to teach you conversation in Punjabi and tell the difference between textbook type Punjabi and the real conversation in Punjabi. Now, let's kick this thing off. Today, we will talk about how can you get fame and money with Punjabi, or how can Punjabi give you fame and money. I think it's really good opportunity for y'all guys, and I'm gonna also tell you at the end who is most likely to get the fame and money with Punjabi, because there will be certain people which is really hard for them, and I'll tell you at the end. So first we're gonna talk about how can you get the fame and money with Punjabi, or what is the possibility with Punjabi so you can get the fame. All right. So the first reason why, not why, I mean the first reason how can you get the is reason because when somebody speaks Punjabi who's not Punjabi, and Punjabi people get really excited and they want to listen that guy. They want to listen that person when they are speaking Punjabi. And if somebody speaks Punjabi on like a social media, on YouTube, Facebook, whatever, right? So Punjabi people like to watch it. So maybe you also watch many people who are white people and black people who speaks Punjabi on YouTube and Facebook, and the video gets viral. You can see that the most of the video they are not uploaded by that person. It's uploaded by the Punjabi people and who doesn't have even much following. So, but they still get viral because Punjabi people want to see or want to listen some people who are not Punjabi, who are speaking Punjabi, right? So guess what? If those people start posting or they make their own account when they are like uploading short videos, or maybe if they can speak a little longer so they can upload longer videos, right? If they are speaking Punjabi on their own account, you can guess how much fame they can get, because I see like there are some accounts about Punjabi people, like they have like a following like a 200 100 people, but when they upload the video about like a foreigner who was white people or black people and they are speaking Punjabi, then it hits like 1,000 of views, thousand. Some of the videos like 100 of thousand views. So if you want to check, I put some links in the description. You can see those YouTube channels, they don't have much followings, but when they post the video about when a black or white people are speaking, or basically who are not Punjabi, when they're speaking Punjabi, the video gets viral. Yeah, but the thing is, these videos are not uploading by those people, right? So these videos are just uploading by the random Punjabi people, and they are getting viral and getting a lot of views. So I was just thinking, what if those person who is speaking in the video, if he made the account and he if he start putting the videos on that, he is gonna get famous. So I'm going to talk about a little bit about those videos. So if you see if you go on the links, so there's a black guy and he is speaking Punjabi and he got like a 189,000 views, right? So it's a lot. And if you see his channel, he didn't have that much following. If you see his other videos, he have like a views less than 100. So because of he was not Punjabi, so he was a black guy, but he was speaking Punjabi really good, right? So even he was not speaking that good, honestly. He was just speaking some Punjabi, get viral. So if you see another video, there's a guy in the gym, white guy in the gym, and he is speaking Punjabi. I think he's a little bit better, and he got like a 235,000 views, right? So even the another video, if you see there, the black lady who is speaking Punjabi really good, and she got like a 13,000 views. And there's another guy, little older guy, and he is speaking Punjabi, and he got 95,000 views, right? So if you go on these channels, I'll give you link in the description. So these channels doesn't have much following, right? But because of these video, the guys who are speaking Punjabi, they are not Punjabi, and the videos getting viral, right? So but these videos are not uploaded by them, it is uploaded by random Punjabi people. But guess what, if they upload these videos, right, they would be getting famous, and they could be making some money. So it's pretty good actually, in my opinion. Yeah, maybe if you get famous, if you are uploading videos and you get famous, maybe you, who knows, maybe you can be be do the modeling in a Punjabi song, maybe in Punjabi movies. Who knows, if you get famous, everything can happen. I think it's really good opportunity for your guys to get famous with Punjabi. If you see, there's not much people, not many people who are speaking Punjabi, and they created their own channels or their own account who uploading videos consistently. But there's some channels I see, these are the couples. One person is like a Punjabi, the other person their significant other, they are not Punjabi. They are uploading videos and they are getting really famous. I think it's because of they know, because they are couples and one of their partner is Punjabi, so they know how you can get the fame, and that's why they are uploading video. But for you guys, I think you are not Punjabi and you even didn't have uh like a Punjabi partner. Maybe you have, I don't know. But if you are not doing, that's what you, if you can do it, I think if you starting uploading video, you can get famous. So you should try it, and I'm gonna tell you how can you do it. And maybe you are thinking your Punjabi is not good this time. That's why maybe you can't do it at this moment. Actually, you don't need to be like a really good Punjabi speaker at the beginning. You can start speaking from small sentences. Maybe it could be a 5 or 10 second video, right? So if you start speaking Punjabi, maybe you already speak some Punjabi, right? So if you wanna say something in Punjabi, maybe it's one line or two lines, maybe it's three lines. You can do little bit of practice before uploading the video, right? So when you think you did really good, then you can upload that. So with that, you can also maybe you can also learn Punjabi with this process. If you starting doing that, maybe after a year you would be also good in Punjabi, because you are consistently speaking Punjabi. When you are uploading the video, you have enough practicing, because you are doing the practice again and again when you are trying to upload the video, so you can put the better video, right? So you are keep practicing that time, and definitely your Punjabi is going to be improved with these process with this process. And when you get a little bit advanced or intermediate level, you can put like a little bit like a longer videos, right? Because you are good in Punjabi. So it is a process. You don't need to be like a really good in Punjabi. If you are a beginner, you can speak a little bit Punjabi, you can still start it. I know everybody is not gonna start it, I know that, but some of them can do it, and you can really get the benefit from it. And maybe if you are completely beginner and you don't know anything in Punjabi, maybe you know few words like Sat Sri Akal, hello, something like that. Yeah, you can maybe like you can do the practice of Punjabi, or maybe you can start learning Punjabi little bit seriously for like a 3 or 4 months. After 3 4 months, you can learn some sentences, and after like a 3 4 months, maybe 5 months, it's up to you. You can start making videos, right? After like a 4 months, when you start putting videos, and you are gonna get famous. Even you don't need to speak some funny thing, right? You don't need to put any funny thing. You can say just simply, like, if you whatever you're doing, you can speak that and you can put on the your account. Like, if I give example, if you are making a coffee, right? You can just say my coffee banana hun, ਮੈਂ coffee ਬਣਾਉਣਾ. If you are female, you can say ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ coffee ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਆ. If you are tired and you came from the work, you can say ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਥੱਕ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਸੌਣਾ. It means like I'm tired and I'm going to sleep, ਹੈ ਨਾ. You can say that. You can say these little sentences and you can make the videos and you can get the fame. You can get the fame with the Punjabi. When you are doing that consistently, definitely you are gonna get viral, because there are not many people who are, I don't like any see anybody, maybe there will be one or two people, maybe more, I don't know, but they are very little, very like a small number of people who are doing that. So it's really good opportunity. That's why I'm telling you guys, some of you can do it. I know everybody's not gonna do it, but if you do, I think it's a really good opportunity. Maybe you should start it. So start from the simple sentences. That's it. Yeah, another thing, like if you start speaking more informal, right? If you are maybe speaking formal Punjabi, you are gonna still get viral and you're gonna get some like a fame. But if you want to get the fame fast, just start speaking informal Punjabi like we do. So it's not hard. Like you can learn. For example, you are gonna put a sentence, right? And you wanna speak it in a formal way like we do, you will get more attention of people, and people think, wow, he is speaking like us, and they want to watch you, right? So even if you are putting like a formal Punjabi, you will still get viral. But I think if you would speak informal, you would get more attention from people and you would get more viral, right? So if I give you example, if you wanna say if you wanna in the video you say like so if you ask somebody like do you wanna drink tea, and this sentence you want to say in Punjabi, you say ਤੂੰ ਚਾਹ ਪੀਣੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹਾਂ, informal, right? So this is the formal language. So you would say ਤੂੰ ਚਾਹ ਪੀਣੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹਾਂ. Yeah, it is not that impressive because we know like you can learn like that. But if you say like a ਚਾਹ ਪੀਣੀ ਆ, this is so informal, we will think, wow, like this guy is speaking like us. Or if you want to say, if you can say a lot, like a little bit different, you can make it more informal, more slang way. You can say tum cha chu pini hai, tum cha chu pini hai, right? When you say that, tu cha chu pini hai, it's gonna really impressive for Punjabi people. Like if you compare to ki tum cha pina chaunda ha, this is not that impressive. But even if you are speaking formal, you will still get the like a fame, because I see some people like who are speaking for formal Punjabi, they are getting like some popularity. But if you start speaking like a informal, even these sentences, I'm already telling you, these sentences doesn't need to be longer. You didn't need to be a really perfect in Punjabi. If you can speak a little bit, you can practice first before putting your video. I think you're gonna really good in this thing. So just put informal sentences in the video and you will get the popularity slowly, but you need to be consistent. And if you don't know, and you can email me, I can also give you more tips if you want, if you're interested to learn about it more. I think some of you guys can do really good. So if you still have a confusion, you can email me. I'll put my email in the description, so you can email me. I can guide you a little bit more, okay? So now at the end, so now question is who can do it? So basically the people who doesn't look like Punjabi people, right? If you have brown skin, it is mostly hard for you because you look like us. And the even like some Punjabi people like who born in US and Canada, and they are trying to learn Punjabi. And if they are speaking Punjabi, like for example, if somebody puts a normal sentence, speak a normal sentence for the video, and he is gonna think like he's gonna get viral, it's not gonna happen, because it is not like a, it's kind of not impressive, because you are a Punjabi, right? You looks like us. So why the hell everybody watch you, right? So because it is a normal thing. You are Punjabi, or maybe you looks like a Punjabi. So why somebody watched you or listen to you when you are speaking Punjabi? Because this is right pretty normal. Punjabi people speaks Punjabi. So for you, yeah, you can still get famous if you are speaking Punjabi, but you need to put extra effort. First of all, you need to really good in Punjabi, right? Then you have to make something funny, or you have to entertain people with your skill. That's how you can get the fame with Punjabi. But the person who doesn't look like us, maybe you are Chinese, Asians, or maybe you're white, or maybe you're black, so you have really good opportunity to get fame. You don't need to be like an extra talent to be funny or to be entertaining. You are, when you are just speaking Punjabi like us, uh, just small sentences, informal Punjabi, right? This is already entertaining for Punjabi people, because it's really like shocked when you guys speak informal Punjabi, right? When you say the sentence like very slang way, like we never heard from a Punjabi learner, right? So these kind of sentences we speak in our like casual talking, right? Everyday talking. So when you say this kind of stuff, is really impressive for Punjabi people. So that's why it's really good opportunity for y'all who are not Punjabi. If somebody is Punjabi and if he starts speaking like us, so it is not impressive, because you are Punjabi and you are speaking already like a Punjabi, right? So what we can do about it, right? Nothing. But when somebody is not Punjabi, when you are speaking Punjabi like us, then we, wow, that guy speaks like us, right? So if you are not Punjabi, you're black, you're white, you're Asian, whatever, right? So it is gonna be really good, like a chance for you. Just start speaking normal sentences. You will get the fame, man. So you need to do it, man. You just start speaking. If you are really beginner, learn some Punjabi maybe for 2 or 3 months. Then you can start doing that. So if you need more information about it, you can email me. I know everybody is not gonna start doing that. Everybody who's listening, they are not gonna do it. There would be very few people who are gonna do it. So if you are one of them, you should do it. So yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy the lesson. Now it was not lesson, honestly. So it was just information. I think who you like the information what I gave you, and I'll be back another day with another episode. Okay.